Hi friends, it's Kim back from Making Creative Memories in Time, and today I'm here to do two quick unboxings. This is kind of small, right? So this is some photo prints that I had ordered from Creative Memories, and this is highlights of the first week of Roland's life. And so what happens, I wanted to show this. I don't know if I have shared this before or not, but when you order Creative Memories photo prints, and FYI, how many knew that Creative Memories has photo prints? When you order photo prints, you have the option to get matte or glossy. And I think there's even the option to get different sizes, and you can title it. So this album that I created is Roland Beau's birth through week 1, and I ordered 57 total photos, and they come in this awesome plastic packaging. And what I love about these is they're great to store. Obviously, everything wouldn't fit in one envelope. Leave it to me to have things not fit in one envelope. So what I love about these is sometimes if the photo is unedited, it actually has the date that the picture was taken on the back. And you can see some of these, well, no, none of mine has the date. I have ordered them that have the date on the back. I don't know if it's because I edited these or because they came to me from Brantley, because I think every single one of these pictures came to me, to be quite honest with you, from Brantley. No, this one was one that I took, but I edited it because it was actually upside down. Let's see if any of these, yep, this one has the date on it. So I'm so glad I can show you that it does indeed have the date. So this is one of mine that is completely unedited, and it was taken at 1:10:23 a.m. So this was taken 11, 12, 1, 2 hours after Roland's birth. This was at 11:22. It's one of the first pictures of Roland. So yeah, and then Miss Navy Bean. So I just wanted to show you guys that we do indeed do photos. And I love the matte photos, and I love how they come in these plastic organizers. Okay, next up is a regular box of product, and to be honest with you, I have 2 orders. I think there's still an order out that I haven't received yet, so I'm not really sure what's going to be in this box. Oh, I can see what's in this box. So there is still 1 order out. Yay. Oh my gosh. Yumminess. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I want some more of it. I love it. We're going to go ahead and get everything out of the box so I can move the box out of the way. And then we are going to take a peek at everything we got, friends. So this was an awesome new envelope and bow creator. Now, I'm being told that this is a bring back product. So I'm going to actually have to go to YouTube myself and watch some videos on how this bow creator works. And that's just some packaging there to keep it from breaking. Let's see. Oh, there's a stylus. How cute is that? There is a stylus that slides right in here. Super cute. I love that the people who create and make the Creative Memories tools are so wonderful that way. Here's a little extended arm. Oh, it swings this way. I was doing it backwards. So we do have a swing. So here it tells you how to create the bow. And it gives you your bow sizes and your paper length. And then over here is your card size, your paper size, and your punch guide for your envelopes. So I can't wait to play with this. Hit all the hearts if you love that, right? And real quickly, while I'm getting everything else ready, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Yay! I love it when you do that. So, I had already ordered, well, I didn't order, but I had received Wonderful Day wood grain. As I was a content contributor for the worldwide crop. And these 2 pages were made with Wonderful Day. And I did the flowers using the circle cutting system and our gold pen. I even did the gold splatter with our gold pen. So these are bits and pieces of the decoration and that gorgeous chain punch from Wonderful Day. And this is my brother and his wife on their wedding day, and my aunt and uncle. And then this is going to be a journal spot right here. So this is Wonderful Day collection. I had already received the collection, but I did not have the wood grain paper that went with. And oh my gosh, friends. So I ordered the wood grain paper. Oh, the weathered wood. Oh my gosh, is that gorgeous or what? And then there's the darker gray. Oh, how pretty. Ooh, I love that. Love it. Very dark gray with a nice warm chocolatey brown. And then this one is a really pretty blonde, like a white blonde. And the reverse of that is a pretty gray. Then again, we have like a more brown with some blonde in it. Gray. Gorgeous. And this is 12 sheets. Gorgeous, friends. Gorgeous. Love that. I'm so happy that I got that. And then I also picked up the Wonderful Day cards, variety matte stack. Because if you know me, you know I love my cards, right? I love my cards. I like to use them in ways that are not typical. The best stories are made together. Love that. That would be great to fussy cut out. Some picture mats. Ooh, pretty nice journal mat. Journal mat. Picture mats or journal spots. Journal spot or picture mat. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. I love it. Memories are the best souvenirs. Amen. Creative memories that make your heart, or create memories that make your heart smile. Love it. The best is yet to come. Life is a beautiful ride. So I'm probably going to continue to use this collection for pictures, highlights of my brother and sister-in-law's wedding. And I will be mixing in some color because this is an awesome neutral stack. And I will be mixing in colors from her wedding. Okay, then the next thing that I ordered is there was a Kraft bundle. And it came with this 4x6 envelope pack. So this will likely, I don't know this, but I think it will work with the envelope maker, right? Or you can actually use this to scrapbook with. So you've got pattern on one side and then it's Kraft on the other. And I love this light Kraft. Love it. Pattern on one side, Kraft on the other. That one is white. Very pretty. Okay, so there's that. And then this one is the Kraft. That one was the stripes pack. This one is the dots pack. And these are 5x7 for 5x7 envelopes. And again, you can totally use this for scrapbooking or making the envelopes. And these are the dots. Who doesn't love some dots, right? Who does not love some dots? And then this one is the chevrons. I am so in love with this Kraft bundle. Everything will be linked down below. And these are 3.5 by 8.5. So these will be your slimline envelopes. And then I also, in that bundle, it came with envelopes and card bases. These are slimline. These are 5 by 7, and these are your typical A4 size envelopes and card bases. Love that. And then there is the Merry Mail, which is the full box Christmas card set, and it comes with all of the directions, and then you get all of your pieces. You get your bonus pieces. Oh my gosh, look, it even looks like there's wax seals. And then you get your card bases and your envelopes. Oh my gosh, what a great haul I just got. All of these products will be linked below. I can't wait to hear what is your favorite. Leave a comment. Let me know what is your favorite, and I can't wait to watch a tutorial to make sure I know what I'm doing with this, especially the bow maker. I've used an envelope maker before, but I've never used a bow creator before, so that will be fun. I have a thin cut from Close to My Heart that does this, so this will be fun, especially at Christmas time, right? So leave a comment. Let me know what's your favorite product. Let me know what you can't live without. Be sure to like and leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell over here for more. Thanks, friends, and happy scrapping.